Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is September the 5th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. The Super Scalper, that's this yellow and blue moving average. When it changes colors, you'll get a pop-up alert in this box right here, and you'll get an audio alert also where it says scalping, such as here and here and here. It'll either say buy or sell, or the other one here just says buy and sell, is part of the super signal indicator. Now every morning 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer. That's 6 a.m. New York time, looking at the charts, looking at price action, looking at all the different instruments, checking out my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision, then I'll pop in this white arrow. I do it manually. It does not automatically pop in. Now here is my daily trade plan, Expert Advisor. It is preset for day trading, as I am a day trader. You can change the inputs if you're a swing trader or a position trader. But it is preset for day trading. In other words, I like to take the trade in for a few hours or less and just close the trade the same day. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan, as my mentor told me many years ago. If you do not have a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you are not succeeding at trading. Okay, let's run a check on some of these trades I've taken. The pound CAD. Here we go. Let's just drag and drop this up. So I wanted to be selling it directly from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Price action was saying to sell. So I knew on this candle right here, the next candle was going to produce a sell signal. So I sold it at this point and I closed it out here, just being happy. Locking in, looks like about, let's see, 20. And those 20 pips paid out $154. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now on this euro dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because of the USD is on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in at. Got the sell signal right here. Everything was looking good for qualifying for a great way to trade, and I knew it was going to go down with a pretty good high percentage of that. I knew it was going to go down, so I sold it. Looking at the money, this should be 21 altogether, 21 pips. So I closed it out here, as I mentioned, with 21 pips. There it is. And that paid out $210. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. This one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper was also blue. Blue is buying, remember that. Yellow we're selling. Let's see where I got in at. I waited until it obviously cleared the goal line. Buy signal back here. There's another buy signal right here. Everything else was okay for buying. When I pulled the trigger, got in at that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in, it looks like about 35 pips, and that paid out $237. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Now gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 29.6. Let's run a check on this gold. Now I knew it could go back to the goal line. I teach in the videos how to trade it, and I knew it was going to go down, and I knew that it could go back up. Didn't bother me one way or the other. I knew it was going to do another cycle. I call this the cycles. This is what I call the flow of the market. These are all things that you have to learn. Plus, I also teach all of these things, especially in the package called How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. And so this should be 29.6. 29. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get, but we'll just round it out to 29, and all those ticks paid out $296. Moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. I knew I wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Could have just as easily gone straight up, but it went sideways for a while. Buy signals here, 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 and here. Could have stayed in a trade and got a lot more, but I was happy with the overall totals. So I used a calculator, divided the money by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 18. So let's see. From there to there, there's your 18. You remove the last two digits. Up to there is 91, but I was happy with the 18 ticks, and that paid out $370. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything, was looking great for going down. Let's see where I got in at. Got in this cursor right there. It's a little bit hard to see, but right there. Pull the trigger here and I close it out being happy. Looks like with about 54 pips. And those pips paid out $396. Okay, let's run a check on the last trade, which is Russell. This one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Went sideways for a while, little up, and then finally, looks like at the opening bell right here at 9:30 a.m. New York time, had the setup candle prior to that, then the trigger candle, and away it went. So let's see, this pays $10 for each tick, so this should be 120. 120. There it is right there, 120 ticks, and that paid out $1,200. So another great day of trading using my Super Scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200, and today's grand total came to 237 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,863. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, well, recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions, if you want to buy, it's simple. Just look right below this video and you will get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Like I said, if this is the video right here, all you got to do is look down. You'll see this banner that I keep highlighting. All you got to do is click on it. Opens another window. And then as you scroll down, you'll see my connection for Skype. I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, we will immediately have Skype connection. And through Skype and Skype screen sharing, we can chat and I can answer your questions. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And you need a daily trade plan. Keep in mind when you buy from me, I do give support. After all, you'll probably have a few questions, and I will be able to answer those questions. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now in package 1 here, the Super Scalper System, keep in mind that it does not include the Super Signal Indicator. It's in package number 4 called the Easy Trader System. Now package 1 and 2 has the training videos. In package 1 there's 24 training videos, and just to let you know, I just completed one more video, so it has 21 videos inside the package called How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. And it's about 44 minutes actually for that last video I just completed yesterday. But the bulk of the videos on average are about 30 minutes long each, packed with a lot of trading tips. Now package 3 and 4, the daily trade plan or the Easy Trader, has 4 training videos in each package. Now as you scroll down, you'll see what I teach in each package. As I mentioned, there's lots of training, lots of education in each package. I recommend, of course, you're getting all 4 packages. That would normally be $250 each, but I do have 2 specials going on right now. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. In other words, it's equal to 33% discount. Or the other package is, if you buy package 1 or 2 or 3, I'll give you the Super Signal for an extra $50 more. That'll be a total of $300. So you can take whatever package you want. I recommend getting all 4 packages. Lots of training, lots of education. As we scroll down, the Daily Trade Plan EA and the Super Signal. So let's see now. If you have any questions at all, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada, and of course you can send me an email. I also wanted to mention, due to the fact that I have spent many hours putting these packages together, up to 2 weeks, and I don't want to work for free. So if you buy it, you have it, you own it, and so please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.